Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a glowy makeup look. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I get a cute, simple, glowing makeup look in the summertime. So if you want to see that, make sure you keep on watching. Hey guys, it's been so long since I've sat down in this chair, even though I've had a video going up once a week. It's been like a couple of weeks since I filmed, but I have my hair kind of up out my face. So let's get started. The first step in this process is going to be me moisturizing my skin to get that glowy look underneath. And I'm going to do that with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I'm just going to take a little bit. You literally only need like, I want to say less than a dime size amount. What's smaller than a dime? A rice grain. I know it's another analogy that they use, but I don't know right now. Just going to put that all over. And now I'm going to go in with primer, and this is my Ole Henriksen, what is this? The Banana Bright Face Primer. I always do that. I start and then I'm like, wait, what is this again? Again, I'm just going to rub that in, especially in areas where I highlight. So like my cheeks, under my eyes, the center of my nose. And then I just blend it out from there. And as you can see, that already, just the combination of those two have already given my skin a nice glow. Alright, so that's it. We can just leave the house right now just like this because the glow is there. I'm just joking. I would actually leave the house like this, but I wouldn't film a video doing just these two steps, okay? So don't fret. Alright, so you just saw me blending out the concealer where it had already creased. I did my eyes with the Benefit Brow shade 4.5, and then I primed my lids with the Colourpop Dark 42 No Filter Concealer. This concealer is actually like the bomb. It's really good. Alright, so today for eyes, I'm doing something like very simple. I'm pulling out my Fenty Killawatt Foil in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Y'all remember this launched as a part of the Beach Please collection, and I've used it a good bit more than I thought I would, but I am going to use it today just to give me that summery glowy look. And I'm also going to be using my my soft glam palette, so I'm going to pair these two together and get an easy, simple look. So with that being said, the first shade I'm going to start off with is Orange Soda in the soft glam palette. This shade right here. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Literally like all over. Okay, so all that basically did was set the concealer, which is what I was trying to do, and I did that with the Morphe M441 brush. With that same brush, I'm gonna like not deepen it, but give it some what we call it dimension with the shade Burnt Orange. And I'm just gonna focus that mostly in the crease in the outer corner. Now it's time for me to go in with the shade Mimosa Sunrise, which is the orange shade in the palette. I'm going to take a flat brush, which today I'm going to use the Morphe M124 brush. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm going to spray that with this this MAC Fix Plus. Uh-oh. Now I want to make sure I go and blend it out so it doesn't look as harsh, like a cut crease. Just going to blend. Alright, so I just went back in and blended with my Morphe M441 brush, and then I added a little bit more of the Mimosa Sunrise to my eye with my finger, just to give it a little bit more pigment. And now I'm just going to let that ride, I think. And that's pretty much it for the top of the lash that I'm going to do. I'm going to add some mascara on the eyes. I think I'm going to use my Milk Kush mascara, the waterproof one. And then I'm just going to use these Visofree, I think that's what they call it, Visofree 3D Mink lashes that I bought for like $7 off Amazon that I've been liking. And I'll show you them. Here they are. They are nice and long and cute. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, my lashes are on. I still need to cut them, but I really just haven't had time to do that. And I can't find my scissors, so I made it work. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do, since I've already primed and moisturized my face, I'm going to go in with a Radiant foundation. And the perfect one for this is the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. Doy. You could use a matte foundation if you tend to have oily skin, just to balance out all the moisture and glow underneath. I have dry skin, so I can go in with a pretty good amount of natural finish or dewy finish products before I even like start to look oily. That's just the nature of my desert skin. So yeah, I'm going to take this with a sponge, because brushes tend to be a little bit more full coverage, and with foundation application, and I want my skin to look natural for this look. So I'm going in with my Sonia Kashuk sponge, which is dirty but don't mind it, and I'm going to apply the foundation with the back of the sponge, the bottom, the butt. I feel like I'm already getting my tan. I've been swimming like 3 times since the summer has started, so I'm getting a little darker, so I'm going to have to buy some darker foundation shades or mix with my contour. Okay, so my foundation is on, and I'm going in with my Colourpop Dark 42 concealer. Just going to highlight under my eyes, my chin, forehead, and nose. So now that that's blended out, I want to go in with a setting powder. I'm using my Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes with it. And really that's it. I don't want to set anything else, just because it'll be not as glowy as I like. I don't know what happened to my setting powder, but the thing is like stuck in it. Like, y'all, what am I going to do? How do I fix this? So yeah, I had to like pop it open with a knife, and it got all over my desk. So that ain't looking too good. So yeah, I had to like pop it open with a knife, and it got all over my desk. So that ain't looking too good. Alright, so back to scheduled programming. I'm taking this Fenty and setting my eyes. I'm doing it with a brush just to keep more of that dewy skin flowing. If I find that when I do it with a blender, I pick up too much and I like super mattify it. But I'm going glowy today, so a light brush. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. brush and just getting in those creases. I do that just to make sure that I'm setting my creases well, because the Colourpop concealer does crease. Not more than normal, but it creases. Then I want to blend that in with my sponge. And that's all the setting that I'm doing really at all today. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is add some bronzer. I didn't contour. That's like too many steps for my little summer glowy look. I like to keep it, like I said, simple. So I'm using my Fenty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty, and I'm just going to warm up my face with this. Somebody asked me if this was going to work for me during the summer, and my response was, we'll see. Because I feel like I see it and I like the shade, but I know that once I get in my summer color, I'm going to get about 2 to 3 shades darker. So I'm wondering if this is going to be able to pull through for the whole summer. If not, I'll pick up the, for sure pick up the Mocha Mommy. But for right now, it's working fine. Alright, so that's really pretty much it for the base. I'm going to take this, this Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist from Glow Recipe, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. This is like the fuel to the fire to finish off a glowy look like this. Fuel to the fire. Yes. First, I'm going to take my BFF3 lip pencil and line my lips with that. And I'm going to go in with the Makeup Shayla Slow Down. This is bomb, okay? Okay? And the last thing I'm going to do is pull out this oldie. It's not really that old, but it was the little mini Anastasia collection. It came with that pink Zachary lip gloss. I'm going to put that over. Yeah, I think so. We'll see. Alright, so my lips are on, but I felt like I should go ahead and use Sangria Sunset, which is the pink shade in the Fenty duo, just to, I don't know, do something, give me some blush. I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush that's like on its way out. It's the bronzing brush, and I'm just going to dip into it. I'm going to tap for dear life because I don't want it to be too pigmented, and go ahead in with some blush. And then with my the brush that I used for bronzing, which was this BH Cosmetics #1 brush from the Marble set, I'm just going to buff that out. Yeah, it just gave me a little edginess. It looks like a blush, but it's got some shimmer in it, so it's actually like a sheeny blush, which is pretty cute for the glowy look. With that same brush, let me go ahead and add some definition to my nose. I forgot to do that earlier. I'm doing it with my Fenty bronzer. I'm gonna respray. And I'm gonna take down my hair. Alright, so this is the completed look, my easy glowy summer look. Hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, everything that I use will be listed down in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video.